For our second project on the section Convolutional Neural Networks, we shall take a look at this article published on The Atlantic by David A. Graham entitled Signed, Sealed, Delivered, Then Discarded. Signature matching, which one expert described as witchcraft, could lead to thousands of legitimate ballots being thrown out. George Mangani registered to vote as soon as he became a U.S. citizen in 2015. Mangani, who immigrated from Kenya, always makes sure to cast a ballot in the suburbs of Columbus, Ohio, where he lives. "It's just something you do," he told me. "You are given an opportunity to select people who make influence over your lives, and so it's important to have a voice." This spring, with COVID-19 ravaging Ohio, he decided to cast his vote in the primary elections by mail for the very first time. The instructions were straightforward enough, especially for a network engineer like Mangani. He applied for a ballot, received it, marked it up, signed it, and prepared to submit it. As he got ready to post his ballot, though, Mangani felt a pang and took a photograph of it. He says, "I had a sinking feeling that something would happen," he recalled. "I was like, I hope it gets counted." But he sent the ballot to the Board of Elections and didn't worry about it anymore. A couple of months later, he received a call from the ACLU of Ohio, informing him that his ballot has been rejected. "I was surprised twofold," he said. One, how the heck did they find out? And then, why was it not counted? The answer, it turned out, was that the Mangani's signature on the ballot didn't match the one he used when he registered to vote. Ohio, like 30 other states, uses signature matching as a fraud prevention measure. Mangani sometimes uses different signatures, and he didn't recall which one he had used to register. Under Ohio law, election officials are supposed to mail a notice to any voter whose ballot is rejected, giving them a chance to correct an error. But Mangani said he never received a notification. His name did, however, go into a spreadsheet at the Ohio Secretary of State's office, which is how the ACLU found it. Mangani agreed to become a plaintiff in a suit challenging Ohio's signature matching law. As we could see from part of the article, Mangani wasn't allowed to vote because his signatures didn't match. And so on this project, we are going to work on a signature matching system in which, once given, for example, these two signatures, we should be able to say that it's the same person. And if we're given, say, this and this, we should be able to say that it's from two different people. Now, unlike previously where you used already made data sets, here you shall build your own data sets on similar signatures versus signatures which are different. Then you shall design a convolutional based model, then select an appropriate loss which shall be used in training, validation, and testing. After this, you shall measure your model's performance and then take some corrective measures to better the results. And once this is done, you shall publish on Medium or YouTube or even any other platform, and then share on your different social networks. And here is a link to the article on theatlantic.com.